Again. Abra. Oh, fantastic. Then you have a magician teacher here. Again, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm managing the lights. Akın. Okay. Hi Andy, I'm expecting to see you in my class, definitely in my school. I'm a bit wondering when you are coming. I don't know actually. This video is just for you. Okay, these are my students. They are B2 learners and they have read different books. Let me prove it to you. Just I want you to show the book to the camera, please. These are the Black Cat books, as you see, Andy. Okay. This is the Nehir's book, actually. Why I chose this book? Because all of them read this book. We chose it that we read all of this book. Now, I want you to make a comment. Thank you. The book's down. Thank you. Now, I want you to make a comment about this book. Just a few seconds. Just tell your ideas. What do you think about the book? Okay? Yes.
When I read this book, I really love it because it has some kind of mystery in it.
Okay.
And my favorite part of this book was while the professor was trying to escape from the cell, he told a very clever idea.
Time's up.
Hello, I think this book is really interesting for me and I think about it a lot. Also, I use this book while I'm writing lots of essays, so thank you for writing it.
Okay.
Actually, I love this book because of its main character, Thinking Machine. He's a madman who believes that he can escape from a cell by only thinking. This is why it's one of my best books.
Thank you.
I found this book actually quite encouraging because everyone says that to Andy and he can't escape from that prison, but by his smart ideas he managed this.
Thank you. Murat, your turn.
This book includes many mysterious things, and mysterious things make me happy. So that this book is the one of the most that I liked in the Black Cat books.
Okay, thank you.
That's one of my favorite books, and I think the character is a genius that he can escape from the jail by his genius ideas.
Very good, thank you.
This book is one of my favorite books of the Black Cat books because escaping part is really mysterious for me, and I really wanted to read a lot.
I really loved the book because it was like a detective book, and they introduced the thinking machine as a genius, and I think he was genius because the way he escaped from prison was very interesting.
Yes.
Well, the steering character was very, I think, fascinating for me because the way he used the ropes to get out of the prison was very interesting, I suppose.
I have read many Black Cat books, but I think that this was the best book I have ever read among all the Black Cat books. And the reason is until I got to the conclusion, I was saying things like, this can't be happening, how did he do this? But everything had an explanation at the end.
Nice comments, thank you.
This is one of my favorite books because the main character is very breathtaking and he is a genius who can manage anything. Like he managed to get out of a jail which no one can get out of by only using a $5, $10 and some wax shoes. Hello, I found this book really interesting because this book consists of lots of mysterious things and logical plans.
Yeah, thank you.
First, I would like to say this is my favorite book of all times of the Black Cat series. I don't quite remember the names of the characters or the exact events, but I remember loving this book as I read it. What I specifically like is that there is a mystery that needs to be solved, and the reader feels involved in that mystery as he or she reads it.
Thank you.
First of all, I have read dozens of Black Cat books, but this one is my total favorite because the main character thinks so remarkably clever, and that's why I kept reading this book without any boring.
I'm not going to lie, I haven't read this book yet, but by simply just listening to my friends, I can say that they love it and they love what you have created for us, and I just want to say thank you for creating such things.
Okay. Yes, Andy. I think Andy. Okay. Yeah. I would like to see you in my class, in my school, whenever you want. Welcome to Turkey. Welcome to my school. Welcome to my class. I would like to see you. Bye. Okay, güzel.